When it comes to creating a striking eye look and adding the perfect finishing touch to your nails, finding the right products can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into a set that promises both dramatic lashes and glossy nails. Pupa Milano Vamp. Mascara and Vamp nail polish set. It's all about that intense volume, smudge-free wear, and that gorgeous gel-like finish. But is it really as good as it sounds? Let's find out together. First, let me just say, as a beauty enthusiast who has tested countless mascaras and nail polishes, I can be pretty picky about how well they perform, especially when it comes to longevity and application ease. That being said, let's start with the mascara. The Pupa Milano Vamp Mascara is designed to give you thick, voluminous lashes with a formula that's both flake-free and smudge-resistant. The innovative brush design really caught my eye. Literally, it's curved to fit the natural contours of the eye, which makes application feel effortless. The flexible wand offers complete control, whether you're applying a light coat for a more natural look or layering it on for dramatic volume. I tried both and was impressed by how well it built up the volume without clumping, which can sometimes be a deal breaker for me. The formula itself has a smooth glide, and while it coats each lash from root to tip, it doesn't feel heavy. This mascara did a great job of separating and lengthening my lashes, and it didn't leave behind any flakiness throughout the day. Plus, the dramatic effect is noticeable but not over the top, so you can totally customize your look depending on how much you apply. It stayed intact for hours without smudging, which is a must-have for me, especially in warmer weather. Now let's talk about the nail polish. The Vamp nail polish from Pupa Milano is all about ultra-pigmented color, and it really delivers. The professional applicator with a round tip and no-drop bristles makes application incredibly smooth. There's no mess, and the polish glides on evenly. One coat was enough for full coverage, which I loved because sometimes you don't want to deal with multiple layers. The formula dries really quickly too, which means no waiting around forever. The color payoff is just stunning. It's rich and vibrant, and even after a couple of days, the polish still looked fresh and glossy, just like it did when I first applied it. It gives that gel-like finish without the need for UV light, which is definitely a time saver. The scent is light and pleasant, which is a bonus for those who are sensitive to strong nail polish smells. In terms of pros and cons, the mascara definitely stands out for its buildable volume and easy application. It's ideal if you're looking for a product that works for both natural and bold looks. The only downside I found was that it may not provide quite as much volume as some other mascaras in the market with more intense formulas, but it still does the job very well without feeling heavy. The nail polish, on the other hand, is a game changer if you're all about quick and flawless application. I love how pigmented and fast drying it is, but it might not be for those who prefer a matte finish or more subtle shades. For those who adore a high-gloss, vibrant look though, this is a perfect choice. Considering the price, I'd say this set offers great value for money. You're getting two high-performing products, plus that cute mini cloud bag to keep everything together. An added bonus for anyone who loves beauty accessories. The quality matches up to the price, and you're definitely getting long-lasting results. When compared to other similar products, this set holds its own, especially in terms of performance and ease of use. There are certainly other mascaras and polishes out there, but I think the Pupa Milano Vamp set stands out for its formula that provides a little extra staying power. As for build quality, both the mascara and nail polish feel durable. The mascara tube is sleek and easy to handle, while the nail polish bottle is compact and travel-friendly, making it a great option for on-the-go use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't had direct experience with Pupa Milano's customer service, but based on their reputation, I expect they would provide responsive and helpful assistance if any issues arose with the product. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are certainly other mascaras and nail polishes out there that are priced lower. Some drugstore options, like Maybelline's Lash Sensational or Essie's Gel Couture, might provide similar results at a more affordable price point. That said, Pupa Milano's products are definitely worth considering if you're looking for a bit more luxury and performance. To wrap things up, I have to say that the Pupa Milano Vamp Mascara and Vamp Nail Polish set really impressed me. The mascara is great for those looking for buildable volume with long-lasting wear, and the nail polish is perfect for anyone who loves quick, vibrant color. If you're in the market for a high-quality mascara and nail polish set, this is definitely one to check out. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.